wind not only took out trees and power lines, but also several displays at the annual Lights of Hope event in Anderson. And that's where we find News 4's Mandy Gaither. She's live and local in Darwin Wright Park. And Mandy, what's the weather there like now?
Well, the wind actually seems like it's calming down just a bit, at least from when we were here earlier today. But take a look at all the damage. This is just some of the light bulbs that were picked up along the grounds here at Lights of Hope. And all of this damage actually shut down the event last night.
Ready? Right outside.
After a night of having to shut down, the Lights of Hope crew had a day full of cleaning up.
We had probably an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Great traffic, everybody coming in having a good time, and then the wind came. Now, I'm not talking a little bit of wind. We're talking 30-mile-an-hour sustained howling winds.
That wind so powerful, several displays were knocked down, lights broken, metal twisted.
That was a straight stake, yeah. So with the wind and all the pressure put on it, it bent that one. That's straighter.
But the candy canes are now locked in their upright position, and Frosty, he's back to his twinkling self, minus a couple of bulbs. But the doll around the bend wasn't so lucky.
Get an electrician now to come and see why she won't come on.
It will take time and money to get the place back together again.
These little things right here, they're not cheap. They come from China, so it's not like you go to Walmart and pick up a bulb.
But the Lights of Hope have not faded.
If we have 2 lights that we can make come on, we're going to find a way to make it look good for everybody.
The wind knocked them down.
Hey, Jared, you want to come over here and catch this gout wire?
But not out.
And I have been tasked with turning on the lights here tonight, and this gave me a little bit of a problem earlier, so hopefully I can use all of the strength I have to turn them on. And there we go, there's the ice castle. So the lights here are on. The wind has not done too much damage here that couldn't be fixed. And Lights of Hope will continue on through Christmas Day, beginning at 5:30 p.m. each night. Mandy Gaither, WYFF News 4, live in Anderson.